In this video, we'll be taking you through the installation of the new Mira Vista Heatloop dual outlet electric shower. The Heatloop range of electric showers are designed for use with wastewater heat recovery systems. These deliver a warmed inlet supply to the shower, giving consistent year-round performance and ultra-low energy consumption. For this install, we'll be demonstrating a new installation. First, turn off the electrical and water supplies before proceeding with the installation of the shower. Remove the screw that holds the cover on and remove the cover. Keep the screw for later use. Remove the service tunnel. Using the unit as a template, mark the positions of the two fixing holes. Ensure there are sufficient lengths of supply pipe and electrical cable to reach the connection points. Remove the unit from the wall and drill 2 holes to suit the fixing screws and wall plugs supplied. Using a stud detector will help to ensure no surfaces are damaged within the cavity of the wall through drilling. Before installing the shower unit, thoroughly flush the supply pipe. Remove the orange plug. Hold the shower to the wall and rotate the inlet connector to suit the direction of the incoming water supply. Before securing the shower, ensure any pipework or electrical cables are sealed to prevent potential water ingress back into the wall structure. Secure the shower to the wall using the fixings supplied or those more appropriate to the wall material if necessary. Connect the inlet supply pipe to the inlet connector using the compression nut and olive supplied. Take care to always provide mechanical support when making plumbing connections. Upon completion, ensure all connections to the unit are not under any stress due to misaligned pipework or electrical cables. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. The final electrical connection should be made by terminating the twin and earth cable into the shower's terminal block. Loosen the screws and ensure an earth sleeve is fitted to the earth cable before fitting. Fit each cable to its corresponding terminal and secure by tightening the screws, making sure the wires are secure and tight. Ensure the earth bonding complies with relevant regulations. Replace the service tunnel. Remove the orange cap from the shower outlet. Before fitting the front cover, remember to plug in the control cable from the shower unit to the rear of the front cover. Replace the cover. Tighten the cover screw using the screw supplied. Do not use alternative screws to secure the cover, as this can cause internal damage to the appliance. Do not seal around the back of the appliance. The electrical supply can then be reinstated and the product fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Ensure the position of the rail assembly allows for easy connection of the short supply hose, with a minimum of 50 mm from the ceiling. Hold the installation template against the wall in the desired position. Mark the positions of both the riser bar fixing brackets and the diverter wall plate. The wall can then be drilled. Insert the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Install the mounting brackets with the retaining clip facing up on the upper bracket and down on the lower bracket. Check for alignment and tighten using the provided fixing screws, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. To assemble the slide bar, start by applying a small amount of the supplied grease to the 2 seals on both the middle and lower bar. Push fit the riser arm to the middle bar section. Pull the lever on the side of the clamp bracket and install the clamp bracket onto the slide bar. Push fit the lower bar to the middle bar section. Slide the smaller of the 2 holes in the hose retaining ring over the slide bar. Push fit the diverter onto the rail assembly. Pre-fit the chrome covers to the rail. Offer the riser bar assembly and diverter to the 3 wall fixing brackets and adjust if necessary. Push the assembly onto the wall fixings until they click. Gently pull on the slide bar to ensure it's securely fixed. Slide the chrome concealing plates onto the mounting brackets, ensuring the alignment notches are oriented correctly. Screw the grub screw into the bottom of the diverter to secure it into place. To install the diverter hose, ensure the green end goes to the shower outlet and the clear end goes to the diverter. Before screwing on the hose connector, make sure to check the included sealing washer is in place. Tighten to ensure a watertight seal. Insert the other end into the shower outlet before screwing on the hose. Ensure this is tight and the included sealing washer is in place to achieve a watertight seal. To install the shower hose, ensure the red end goes to the diverter outlet and the green end goes to the shower head. Before screwing the hose onto the handset, make sure to check the included sealing washer is in place, then tighten to ensure a watertight seal. Take care to feed the hose through the hose retaining ring to comply with water regulations. Place the handset into the clamp bracket, making sure to only use the handset supplied with this product. Insert the other end into the shower outlet before screwing on the hose. Ensure this is tight and the included sealing washer is in place to achieve a watertight seal. The deluge head can then be installed and hand tightened to achieve a watertight seal. The shower can be fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide and website for more information. Your Mira Vista Heatloop dual outlet electric shower is now ready for use.